Please seek your doctor's or physician opinion before performing any kind of exercises.
We will be doing sitting asanas. गुप्त पद्मासना। सबसे पहले पद्मासन में बैठ जाइए। बैक स्ट्रेट रखते हुए आगे की तरफ लेट जाना है और हाथों को एकदम स्ट्रेच कर लेना है सामने की तरफ। होल्ड इट फॉर 10 to 15 सेकेंड्स एंड धीरे से वापस अपने नॉर्मल पोजीशन में आ जाना है पद्मासन में। डूइंग दिस एक्सरसाइज स्ट्रेचेस योर इनर थाई, increases blood flow in pelvic region and strengthen your back. अब हम करेंगे तुलासना, द स्केल पोज। पद्मासन में बैठे बैठे हमें दोनों हाथों से अपनी बॉडी को अपलिफ्ट कर लेना है और ज़मीन से टच नहीं होना है। होल्ड इट फॉर 10 to 12 seconds. It helps in strengthens your arms and wrist, tones your abdominal muscles and improve your sense of balance. तितली आसना, बटरफ्लाई पोज। दोनों पैर के एंकल्स को चिपका लेना है एंड टोज को हाथ से पकड़ लेना है एंड लेग्स को फ्लिप करना है बटरफ्लाई की तरह। प्रॉपर मूवमेंट रखिएगा। पूरे पैर को ऊपर नीचे फ्लाई करना है। इसको आप 50 to 100 टाइम्स कर सकते हैं। Try to keep your knees as close to the ground as possible when going down and as up as possible when going up. This yogasana opens your hips, relaxes your legs and increase the blood flow in pelvic region. Now bend your chest gently forward and try to touch your feet with your head and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds each repetition. Do it for 3 to 5 times. Doing this stretches your back, thighs and adds flexibility to your overall body. Now seated wide angled side and forward bend, पार्श्व उपविष्टा कोणासना। दोनों लेग्स को हमको वाइड ओपन कर लेना है और पहले साइड स्ट्रेच करना है। राइट साइड बेंड करेंगे। ट्राई टू टच अवर हेड विथ नी, देन लेफ्ट साइड बेंड करेंगे। होल्ड इट फॉर 5 to 10 seconds, 2 to 3 टाइम ईच साइड। ये मूवमेंट होना चाहिए।
Remember not to overstrain yourself at any point.
आफ्टर दैट दोनों हाथों से हमें अपने दोनों टोज पकड़ने हैं लेग्स के एंड हेड को ट्राई टू टच ऑन द ग्राउंड बाय लीनिंग फॉरवर्ड. इट improves the flexibility by stretching the legs, hamstrings, quads and calves, back, muscles around pelvis and hips. Now single legged side bend, Janu Shirshasana, also known as head to knee pose. इसमें we have to put one foot on the inner thigh of the another leg and touch your head with your knee and try to hold your foot. Hold it for 10 to 12 seconds while exhaling and release and get up by inhaling. Repeat this asana 2 to 3 times. It helps in calming your brain, relieves mild depression, stretches the spine, shoulders, hamstrings, stimulates liver and kidneys, improves digestion and it strengthens back muscle. Now seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana. Sit straight on the ground, lean forward and touch your toes or hold your feet. Remember to exhale completely while bending forward and inhale slowly while getting up. This asana gives complete good stretch to your back, spine, hamstring muscles, loosen your hip joint. It also gives stretch to abdominal, intestines, liver, kidneys and pancreas, and hence improving digestion. Now Vakrasana, the twisted pose. Sit on the ground with legs straight. Now move left leg to the right of right leg and right hand to the left of left leg. Your left hand is at back side and you have to see backward by turning towards left. While returning, turn your head first, then release your hand and then release your leg. Now do this with another side. Repeat this asana for 2 times at least, both ways. Vakrasana tones the organs in abdominal. It improves digestion and removes constipation. It is also good for liver. It helps to remove fat around the waist and gives good twist to the spine and make it flexible. It also helps to reduce back and shoulder pain. Golf chakra ankle rotation. Sit straight on the ground and rotate both your feet 10 to 15 times clockwise and 15 times anti-clockwise. It helps to prevent ankle pain by increasing mobility in these joints, also toning the muscles of calves, and helps in relieving foot pain. Now Chakki Asana, mill churning pose. Sit on the floor with your legs straight in front of your body. Interlock your fingers of both the hands and hold your arms out straight in front of your chest. Now rotate the mill in both the direction, clockwise and anti-clockwise. While rotating, try to lean forward and backward as much as possible. जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हो सके आगे जाएं and पीछे जाएं to give the maximum benefit. This asana is very good for female as it helps in reducing menstrual cramp and regulating menstrual cycle, improve digestion and reduce abdominal fat. Parvatasana, माउंटेन पोज. आप वज्रासन में बैठ जाइए या फिर पद्मासन में या फिर किसी भी कंफर्टेबल सीटेड पोजीशन में एंड दोनों हाथों को स्लोली ऊपर कीजिए एंड जॉइन बोथ ऑफ योर हैंड्स. नाउ ट्राई टू पुल योर सेल्फ एज मच एज पॉसिबल. अपने आप को जितना हो सके उतना ऊपर खींचिए, but don't lift yourself from the ground. Now release your hands and back to normal position of Vajrasana. You can perform this asana 3 to 4 times. It helps in strengthening your arms and shoulder muscles, calms your brain, improves your nervous system as it is giving complete vertical stretch to your spine. Now Yoga Mudra, continuously sitting in Vajrasana. Interlock your finger from back side. Breathe out and down. Try to stretch your shoulders and arms as much as possible. Touch your forehead on the ground. Hold it for 10 to 12 seconds and slowly lift up by breathing in gradually. It helps in strengthening the immune system, improves blood flow of vital parts of the body, good for high blood pressure, helps in proper blood circulation in body, relieves mental tension, anger, restlessness and frustration. Now Gomukh Asana, the cow face pose. Sit in Vajrasana or by overlapping your knees on each other. Hold your hands backside by one hand from the top and another hand from the bottom. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and then lean forward. Then move back to the original position slowly and relax. Now repeat the same by changing your hands position. The cow face pose stretches the hips, ankles, shoulders, arms, chest, almost every part of the body, toned abdominal organs and improves digestive system. And by leaning forward will further strengthen the ball and socket joint of the shoulder and arms. Repeat this asana at least 2 times in both the positions. Mandukasana, the frog pose. Sit in Vajrasana. Close fist of both hands or put palms of both hands over each other. Now pressing the navel with your both fist or palms and lean forward while exhaling.
नाभि को मुट्ठी या हथेलियों से दबाते हुए आगे की ओर झुक जाना है एवं झुकते समय श्वास को धीरे धीरे बाहर की तरफ छोड़ देना है। इसी स्थिति में 10 से 15 सेकंड तक रुकना है एवं श्वास को धीरे धीरे अंदर लेते हुए उठ जाना है।
एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखें, जब आप इस पोजीशन में हो नीचे की तरफ, तब सांस को रोक कर रखना है। रिपीट दिस आसना फॉर 2 to 3 times. It helps in curing diabetes and stomach related problems. It is beneficial in cardiovascular diseases. It helps in flexibility of thighs and legs, reduces fats from belly and helps in improving digestive system and excretory system.
बालासना, चाइल्ड पोज।
Sit in Vajrasana and lean forward gently by keeping your breath out. वज्रासना में बैठकर आगे की ओर झुक जाना है और पूरा ब्रीथ आउट कर देना है। होल्ड इट फॉर 10 to 15 seconds एंड धीरे धीरे श्वास लेते हुए ऊपर उठ जाना है। दिस आसना हेल्प्स इन फाइटिंग डिप्रेशन एंड calming down overactive brain and hence helpful in reducing stress, anxiety, dizziness and fatigue. Ushtrasana, camel pose. Stand on both of your knees. दोनों घुटनों पर खड़े हो जाएं. Deep breathe and right hand से right heel को पकड़ें, left hand से left heel को पकड़ें. चेस्ट वाइड ओपन, फेस आसमान की तरफ ऊपर देखते हुए. होल्ड इट फॉर 10 to 15 seconds एंड देन रिलीज. इट हेल्प्स इन स्ट्रेचिंग योर चेस्ट, एब्डोमिनल, quadriceps. It opens up your heart chakra and gives complete stretch to spine, expands the abdominal region, strengthens the shoulder and relieves lower back pain. It helps to overcome menstrual discomfort for females and also improves your overall body posture.
Alright friends, that's it for sitting asanas. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and do share the video.